Hi guys, it's me Zombie Nukes, and today I'm going to bring you an underwater survival from the Soviet Union, which is the LEGO APS. APS stands for Atom Proficiency Specialty, which is an underwater firearm from Russia. Funny thing about this gun, it is made in the early 1970s. Sorry for my stumbling. I need to get my words out without talking so fast like I am right now. The boat has to go a very long distance, as I will demonstrate for you. If you see, this goes from here all the way to there. Show you again. Because the steel bolt for this weapon is absolutely massive, and here's the steel bolt. It's only a 6x1 tile on 6 jumper plates, which allow it to have that small bullet feel. The mag itself is quite massive. Sorry for the dark shading, that was my hand. It's 12 studs by 12 studs. 12 studs by 2 studs by 12 studs down. And it just easily slips in, like so. Yeah, that's kind of like breaking, so I'm not gonna do that anymore. Actually, it's broke, so no more to that until I refix that. It's been a trial and error, really, because of, well, let's just say this right here. That little thing there is for the little trigger. It looks like an AK model, this gun, on the front, because it's Soviet Union, right? They made the AK-12, AK-47, AK-74U, blah 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 blah. So yeah, that's down the sights, which is quite unusual for underwater sights, but what do you expect? Bit of history about it. The bullet, or the steel bolt, or dart in there, it's 5.66 millimeters, mistaken for 5.56 millimeter bullet. The cartridge, which is a magazine, holds 26 bullets, but in goes it holds 30 for extra bullets. The manufacturer was Toulouse Arms Plant, which I don't know. The speciality is underwater. It was made in the early 1970s. If I said that again, just tell me in the comment box below. So, this has been Zombie Nukes. Subscribe to my channel, or follow me on Twitter, Zombie Nukes. And I'll see you in another gun video. Bye.